we're ready to fight. I'm so sorry I'm not that bitch that you wanted me to be. I'm so sorry it took me this long to finally see I'm just your prisoner, held captive. How I long to be free, but I never will be, because you own that part of me. I'm only 22 years old and all I ask is to be happy, but I can't cause you play daddy and constantly hover above me. It's gone, it's non-existent, it's finally deceased. Love died inside of you and then you killed it in me. Like I got a fucking dick, right? But I know who's got my back and who's been here the entire time. I got my own family behind me and we're ready to fight. Mommy, Daddy, look what you've done to me. I'm so broken, I'm so hopeless, all because you never believed in me. You're so blind you can't see, so I scream fuck your God, fuck your cross. I think for myself I'm not lost or brainwashed, but there's a war inside my heart between the two things that I want, but I could never have both, is what I've always been taught. So I gotta be strong, I gotta keep moving on. No more sad songs, I should've stayed alone all along. Try and realize, understand my side. I've had a rough, fucked up life, but he came along and opened my eyes.